Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is how to repair and reverse skin damage. If you are starting to notice age spots, deep wrinkles or a bit of sagging skin on your face, the effects of structural changes associated with skin damage and aging. Have you ever wondered why your butt cheeks are smoother and generally unblemished, while your face becomes dull and has wrinkles and age spots? That's because over time your skin suffers not only the effects of aging but also the effects of environment on your skin, particularly the sun. Other factors that contribute to skin health are good nutrition, hormone balance, and of course a skincare regime. The science of skincare. There have been great advancements in skincare, but the fountain of youth is yet to be discovered. Scientists have uncovered enough data, however, that helps understand how the skin regenerates and what causes it to structurally change. We won't go into the scientific details in this article. Suffice is to say, there are things we can do to prevent and repair skin damage. So let's get it too. If you are serious about preventing and restoring a smooth, spotless, youthful glow to your skin, below are a list of things you can do. Avoid things that damage your skin. Remember, as we age, the ability of our skin to regenerate and heal from damage is compromised. Taking steps to reduce or eliminate things that damage it is imperative for healthy looking skin. Some of these may be obvious, but a reminder may be due. Smoking and secondhand smoke. Excessive sun exposure like sunbathing during the day will take a toll on your skin over time. Swimming in the chlorinated pool, wearing too much makeup or sleeping with makeup, picking at your skin, don't do it. Long hot showers and steam rooms, consuming too much salt, waxing too often, exfoliating too often, squinting and frowning, stress, sugars, dry cleaned clothes, too much alcohol, avoid chemicals directly on your skin, cleaning grease. Did you know that how many creams, lotions, and cosmetics products use harmful chemical already banned in European countries? Avoid them all at all cost. Develop a plan to protect your skin. Protecting your skin from the inside out has proven to be an effective strategy to prolong a youthful complexion. The goal is to do things that help the skin regenerate and protect it from further harm. Apply sunscreen. Wear clothing that provide ultraviolet protection. Drink sufficient water. Use skin moisturizer. Get enough sleep. Use lip balm. Use clean sheets and pillowcases. Exercise, sweat. Wear clinically proven healthy makeup. Eat a balanced diet. Take supplements if you are suffer from any nutritional deficiency. Get professional help. Visit an experienced esthetician, aesthetic doctor, or dermatologist to help you restore your skin's healthy appearance. Professional help will allow you to get the most dramatic improvement for your specific type of skin. Remember, your skin does not become dull, dry, wrinkled, or spotted overnight. Understanding the advantages the professional help provides can help you get the results you want more effectively in less time and oftentimes more affordably. Experience matters. Knowing what to look for is imperative. Prescribing the right treatment, getting the result you desire, take experience and know how. If you are fortunate to have a medical doctor assess your skin, he or she can also make recommendations based on your health, history, or condition. Treatment options. Your skin rejuvenation professional will recommend a wide range of options, including facials and treatments for specific concerns, and will know which services are best improve the condition of full skin. For example, a hyperallergenic solution for oily skin suffering from blackheads, whiteheads. Advancement in technology. Some skin damage cannot be treated at home. Age spots and scars, for example, take specialized devices to treat the damaged area. These conditions may require laser IPL technology or micro needling to solve. Skincare products. Most aesthetic or dermatology offices offer skincare products including makeup that are safe and effective for your skin type. You can often take advantage of a free consultation and demonstrations. Remember, not all skin types respond the same to treatments. That's why having a medical doctor as your aesthetic professional is of great advantage in that he or she is able to better diagnose skin issues affected by health conditions or medications. Additionally, only a medical doctor can prescribe pain medication should you receive or treatment that is uncomfortable. As you know, there are plenty of resources online to help improve your skin's healthy. Try them with caution since some of these anti-aging treatments may cause allergic reaction or are simply ineffective for your skin type. As in exercising or cooking, a professional can expedite the progress you make by providing the know how to do it effectively. Same thing occurs when attempting to restore a healthy glow to your skin. I hope you like my video. Thank you.